question. What qualities do you usually find attractive in a person? So, para sa ako kay kuan, ma-attract sa tao nga kabalo bitaw sa kuan, kabalo sa og balance bitaw sa mga gakahitabo or sa situation. So, number two, do you think men and women are attracted to same factors or are they different? So, kuan mong good, lahi-lahi mong good ang perception yun ang tao, samot na sa lalaki, lahigit na ilahag, sa babae good, lahigit good. So, para sa ako, lahi-lahi siya, siya yung naparito. Number three, which is more important for you? Inner qualities like personality and values or physical appearance and one? Para sa ako, kay kuan, inner qualities good siya. Okay, bonus na nang sa outer. Number four, do you believe attraction changes over time? If yes, how? Oo. Kuan good siya, change good siya. Okay. Diba, for example, lugar sa ako, nakoy uya ay nakoy ex na 3 years niya. Anong love dito kay namang sa gusa tapos kuan, pag time to time nga sige mo uban. Diba, may lahat naman ka ninyo ang sagusa, pero the more mo nga gauban, murag the more po din mo nga mabandayan nga, gabag-ug yun. Hindi siya permanent, steady lang yung ano. Thank you, ma'am. Go! Good afternoon, sir. Okay na ba nga ma-interview na kami?
Okay,
So, what's your name po?
my name is Tristan Aiden Vitortes. I'm grade 11 from Valenzuela National High School.
Wow. So, here's your question. Well, what qualities do you usually find attractive in a person?
The qualities that I find attractive in a person really depends. But I prefer the person that is not self-absorbed, a person with ambition, and a family-oriented person.
Number two, do you think men and women are attracted to the same factors or are they different?
It depends on the person's personal interest or attractiveness, because everyone is not the same and has their own things.
Which is more important for you? Inner qualities like personality and values or physical appearance? Which is more important for you? Inner qualities like personality and values or physical appearance?
Inner quality. Yeah, because having a person with a beautiful face but a bad attitude is still
Number four, do you believe attraction changes over time? If it is yes, how?
Yes, it changes because if someone, if like you are attracted to someone because they are family oriented and they begin to change, like they're more distant to their family. If mas mugamang yung pag-aaral.
Thank you. Good afternoon, sir. So, pwede ba ka nga ma-interview na mo?
Yes.
O sa'yo, atong pangalan?
So, my name is Marjan Bacanaya and I'm from PE1 first year.
So, here's your question. What qualities do you usually find attractive in a person?
For me, what qualities do I usually find attractive in a person, especially their appearance and also their behavior during meet times, and also I find it attractive when they approach me like with, for example, sharing how they feel him and also sharing what qualities and values they are talk about me and her.
So, number two, do you think men and women are attracted to same factors or are they different?
I think both men and women are attractive, especially by nature, and also I agree, but they are different by organs and also the genetics and also the physical special figure. Basahin na nga, figure.
Question number 3. Which is more important for you? Inner qualities like personality and values or physical appearance, and why?
So, the most important for me is inner qualities, because if we say inner qualities is when we talk about inner qualities is what we inside or what are inside our opinion or thoughts, or maybe like how we express our inner qualities to show others how they criticize us, and also how they express what personal or inner quality getting involved or getting spread.
So last, do you believe attraction changes over time? If it's yes, how?
Yes, because a person can change in different ways, especially by any time, because every time a person can change by feeling or any situations, like for example, let's say you are arguing that, so the person you are arguing is change over time. Maybe he will approach well, for me is yes, because a person can change every time, especially in one by, let's say for example, like meeting someone, and before that you are meeting someone, like they are gonna slowly change their personalities, and also because of what they involve in society, and also the places they're in, or they are what they are being.
So that's all. Thank you. Thank you, sir. What's your name?
I am Januel Bunang.
And what's the department?
I am from the BSHM department and standing of second year student.
Is it okay ba na interview ka na mo?
Oh, it's okay.
Sige, here's the question. Number 1, what qualities do you usually find attractive in a person?
For me, the qualities that I find to me that I attract to the someone is their first is appearance. Appearance yun kay syempre makita yun mo na around hinlo ano bitaw. Then if magdugay na din kay ilang panalan batasan.
The next question is, do you think men and women are attractive to the same factors, or are they different?
For me is different. It because we have a different standard, or we have our own perspective to someone.
And the third is, which is more important for you? Inner qualities like personality and value, or physical appearance?
For me, the inner qualities, it because magdugay ang isa ka relationship if you karang same mo thoughts, or same mo karang pamatasan sa sa mo ang partner, or syempre if batasan, so kung yun karang magdugay mo.
Okay, the last question is, do you believe attraction changes over time? If yes, how?
For me, yes. For me, I have karang standard yun sa girl. Then mag-change siya because makakita ko daw ko nga like karang first karang ito lang ginatawag nga first meet at
First expression?
dili siya first expression. Karang love in the first sight.
Love at first
Love at first sight. Yeah, like yun anak bitaw. Like ma-change siya like bitaw mag-set, di ba mag-set kag standard sa mong self nga, oy kari ako kaya akong gusto mababaeng anak. Then if makakita din ka ng mga girl kay ma-change din siya bisan dili siya yung standard. Ato lang.
Okay, thank you.
you.